Welcome to the Lantana model by D.R. Horton. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home features just over 2,000 square feet. This model features a grand entry, extra wide foyer, with the 2 bedrooms and shared bathrooms right up front. So here is bedroom number 2. With the shared bath right in the middle featuring a tub shower combo. And then bedroom number 3. There's also additional storage located next to the bathroom. Then just off to the left, you will see the laundry room along with the garage access. Another storage closet here. And the 3rd bedroom really makes a great office space or even guest space as it's tucked away privately adjacent to the half bathroom. The Lantana model still promises the open concept that we all love, with the living room, kitchen, and dining room combo. The living space is extra large and also featuring a large kitchen island and a corner closet pantry. This model also gives lots of natural light with all the windows and the 3-panel sliders. The split floor plan places the primary bedroom towards the back of the home. And what I love is there are dual walk-in closets that are separated. The primary ensuite has tons of space with a dual vanity, private water closet, soaking tub, and large walk-in shower. Thank you so much for touring the Lantana model by D.R. Horton with us. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out today.